Wheat yield calculator. Notes, running feet, foot, are used as the measurement unit here. Yield is determined by seed heads per acre, grains per head, and grams per grain. To calculate yield, 1. Count seed heads in a representative 3 feet section of a bed. 2. Count the average number of grains per head. 3. Determine the average gram weight per grain or number grains required to make a kilogram. Not all tillers of a wheat plant necessarily form seed heads. Whether a tiller develops a seed head depends on several factors. Tiller development. Main shoot versus tillers. The main shoot, emerging from the primary seed, usually has a strong chance of developing a seed head. Tillers, which are secondary shoots growing from the base of the main shoot, may or may not form seed heads depending on other factors. Tiller timing. Early tillers that emerge early in the growing season have a higher chance of producing seed heads compared to later tillers that may not have enough time to mature before harvest. Environmental factors. Nutrients. Adequate availability of nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, is crucial for tiller development and seed head formation. Water. Water stress during critical stages of growth can prevent tillers from developing seed heads. Sunlight. Shade or insufficient sunlight can negatively impact tiller development and seed head formation. Genetic factors. Wheat variety. Certain wheat varieties are bred to produce more tillers that can potentially develop seed heads, while others focus on larger, higher quality grains from fewer tillers. Management practices. Planting density. Higher planting densities can lead to competition for resources between tillers, potentially reducing the number that develop seed heads. Fertilization. Targeted fertilization can encourage tiller development and seed head formation. Therefore, it's impossible to say definitively whether all tillers will form seed heads without considering the specific factors affecting each plant. In general, while the main shoot and early tillers have a good chance, later tillers or those facing resource limitations might not always develop seed heads. Note: PQNK aims to optimize production processes to achieve maximized yields. PQNK strives for the highest possible grain production per unit of land. Reduced costs. The process seeks to minimize production expenses throughout the cycle. Enhanced nutritional quality. PQNK prioritizes producing crops with high nutritional density for optimal health benefits.